And for our next Power BI tip here, let's make this left visualization look like the right and have a conditional average line that then conditionally formats any columns that are above the average line. Alright, so let's select our visual. Always make sure you select the thing you want to change, and we'll go to the rightmost menu option here, the magnifying glass. Might look a little different, but it's always the rightmost option here, not the add data, not the format pane, but the magnifying glass. Lots of fun options here. We want average line, add line, and then let's rename this to average, because why not? And now we'll look at all these options we have. Let's make this line a little more easy to see. Make it, say, black, a little thicker right there. You can see it getting a lot more easy to see right there. That's completely fine. I think that's all good with the line itself. But we also want to turn the data label on, and we're going to throw that to the right. You can see that green number right there. Let's make it black as well. Put it in millions though, and maybe 1 decimal place should be good. And then we do want to have a style of not just the name and data value, we want both right there. Excellent. Now looking a lot like what we have right there, except we want to have these bars uniquely colored. So I go to the format pane, go down to columns, hit the conditional formatting option next to the color option, and I'm going to change it from gradient to rules. And we want all these to be raw numbers. We're going to have 2 sets of rules here. The first one is just going to govern if it's under the line, so if it's greater than or equal to 0, and then if it's less than, what's our average we have right here? Looks like 19.8 million. Let's put that in here. 800,000. Then let's make it gray. And then if it's greater than that, 800,000. And less than a cajillion, whatever, this makes some huge number for it to be less than, we'll make it green. Cool, there's our logic. Okay. Boom, there you go. Looking just like what we have at the right there. And again, this will work dynamically. It should be exactly what you need for a cool coloring above average.